morning everybody and welcome to today's video. It's pumpkin spiced season and I get this every year from Nespresso because it is just amazing. It's the pumpkin spice cake. Nespresso does flavours really well. This is a 230ml Virtuo capsule, and what it essentially is a blend of decaffeinated and regular roast and ground coffee with natural pumpkin and clove flavourings. And I think that's why I like the flavoured coffees so much, because they're half decaffeinated, so you don't get those coffee jitters. So yeah, I'm enjoying this and I'll show you how I make it. If you want to add in more milk, you can stop your Nespresso machine at any time, so you can have the amount of coffee you want. You might not want 230. I generally don't put 230 in if I've got a mug like this. So I will stop the Nespresso machine at a point where I want it. So as you can see, it's filling up my Yeti mug perfectly. And I'm just going to fill it a little bit over halfway, and then I'm going to stop. That way I've got enough space to put my milk in. Yes, I could get a bigger cup, but I don't want a bigger cup. This is just how I like to do it. So about now, I'm going to stop the machine. And that stops it gives me the right amount of coffee. Now for milk, I love this Khalifa vanilla oat. It's dreamy, creamy, it's got a lovely lilac colour, and it just adds an extra gorgeous hint to your coffee. Up to the stop line. And there it goes. Sometimes this milk froths and sometimes it doesn't. I don't know if it's something to do with the Arancino or what, but we'll see. This is the amount of coffee I've got in my cup. Now, you're not wasting Nespresso capsules by stopping it. You're just stopping the amount of water going through it. So it's a great way to get the right amount of coffee if you have small cups. I mean, I don't want a giant mug. So for me, this is perfect. It's not really frothed. I don't know. Sometimes it froths, sometimes it doesn't. It's really weird. Okay, let me try and do this without spilling any. And see, I get the perfect amount of milk every time for my gorgeous pumpkin spice latte. Then I put my little lid on. I highly recommend getting a Yeti mug because these keep your coffee hot for hours. I'm someone that likes to sip on my coffee for a good few hours. I don't just want to gulp it down. So getting one of these is brilliant. You can take them to the coffee shop. You can put them in the dishwasher. They're brilliant. Highly recommend. So there you have it. Pumpkin spice latte made easy at home. Enjoy.